What is up, everybody? Welcome to 2002, and I hope your year is a very special year and may your success bore you to death. My name is Jaco Wessels and a super welcome to Web Nomads. Right, today we are going to learn how to do some product research for your dropshipping or your e-commerce business right here in South Africa. And we are only going to use some free tools because that is the way we like to roll. But more importantly, I'm going to show you exactly how you're going to go about to find out if your product idea will work or not. This will help greatly if you are going to run expensive ads to your website or your products that you want to promote. So this will be a kind of short video, but it will help you enough to push you in the right direction, to give you an idea what you need to do some product research before you launch your products. And down in the description, I also placed a link that will take you to a blog post on my blog that will go a little bit more in depth with this product research and how you can go about it. You can go through that on your own time and will also help you a lot, especially if you're new to dropshipping. I also cover quite a few general things about dropshipping as a business. But before we start, we do all kinds of cool things to make some extra money online, and we love to share those ideas with you. So if you want to be updated with new ideas, new creative ways to make money, and also how to start a business online, be sure to subscribe to this channel and also hit that bell notification for future updates. And if you like this video, please like it. This will help this channel tremendously. And it is absolutely free. So thank you, you are a legend. So let's go. Right, so for this tutorial, I'm just going to use Dropstore. So it's just basically the Dropstore. For the guys who don't know what Dropstore is, it's just basically a marketplace to find products to sell, specifically to go the dropship route. So I'm here in the dashboard, so I'm just gonna go to products. If you want to find out more about Dropstore, just check in the description. There's a link that'll take you to a video that will tell you exactly about Dropstore, what it's like, how it works, and how to actually get started with Dropstore. But anyway, so I'm gonna go here and look for blackhead remover. So do not ask me how I how I got into to look for this. I just kind of stumbled upon it and thought, man, this is actually a great idea. But anyway, so this is going to be a product that I would like to promote to clients, to people right here in South Africa, because this is kind of like a common problem. It's not like no one is kind of there. I mean, we all had kind of problems in our younger years and all that kind of stuff. But anyway, so I want to check out this product right here. Strawberry blackhead remover with 5 replacement suction heads. So now I can see, well, okay, this is pretty neat. It's got 5 different cups. It removes your blackheads and all that kind of stuff. It's got a nice long description. So now I want to check and see what is the story with this. So the first thing I can do is I can literally just copy this whole line here, copy this and go to take a lot, paste it right in here, paste it right in, search for it, and what do you know, it's right here. So this is kind of like the first step, right? To see who's your competition, who else, what other companies sells the same product as you. So now you already competing with Takealot. So now the first thing we can find out here is the reviews. So there's only 1 reviewer. It's not going to help us quite a lot, you know, but at least this review's got 5 stars. So this review's Sunay says good product and the suction is really strong. So that alone should tell you, well, okay, it's not just a product that, you know, it kind of struggles to, you know, to work anything, it actually works. So, and then we can use a different or another website to check if this works. So all these products come from the same place, and that is AliExpress or China or whatever the case may be. So I did basically the same thing as take a lot, paste it in. So then you get to this one. This one is just not called Strawberry, it's called Tin Wong. But you can see, you obviously tell it is the exact same. If you look at the product here, it's the exact same product, like literally the same one. So now you can tell it's got a 4.8 star review. So if you go to the reviews, well, I don't know what, but it's obviously in a language I don't understand, Italian or something. But anyway, so you can see here 5 stars, and here is some reviews. The perfect blackhead removal, highly recommended, great machine, device blackhead remover, blah blah blah. So now you can actually, now you're kind of starting to notice a trend here, that this actual product is a great product to recommend to your clients. So why is this actually important? This is important for one main reason, because this is an electronic device. You are gonna pay for it in, you know, definitely in a higher price for it, $549 up to $700, whatever the case may be. And the reason we are doing this is we don't want to sit with a lot of returns and negative reviews on our website. This is very important. So it doesn't matter if you can sell this thing for, like, sell 100 of them and 80 of them are returned clients, unhappy clients returning this device. So this is important just for this first step here. Second step is you also can see who your competition are right here in South Africa. So obviously Takealot is going to be one of your competitions. They're selling this for $549. And if you go to Dropstore, you can sell it for $560. I would say sell it for $520. Then you'll still make more than 100 Rand on this product if you do your marketing correctly. So this is one good thing. So the other thing is, what most people do is if they come to your website and they'll see this, wow, okay, blackhead removal, what they're going to do, they're going to search, they're going to do research on their own and see, well, okay, let's see where I can find this product and read up more about it. Does Takealot have it? Yes, they do, but oh shit, they are 420 Rand. For 549 Rand, a little bit more expensive than the other side. So I would say let's go with this site or your site or whatever the case may be. The second thing is that you can do is, if you want to find out if people are actually looking for this product, you can use Google Trends. I'll leave a link in the description. You can go to Google Trends. Now, if I go to Google Trends and I would say same thing, blackhead remover, and I press enter, it'll take me to the Explorer. So now you can see, just make sure this over here is for South Africa, right? And it's not worldwide or the US or whatever the case may be. Just make sure it's South Africa. So now we can see, okay, there was a breakout, blackhead breakout. Okay. Okay, so now we can see we have a breakout to 100 and between in July 4 and 10, and now it's moving up again. So we can see here it's not completely as high as we want it to be, but we can see here who are the main provinces that is actually looking for this product. So KwaZulu-Natal, definitely 100. So there's a lot of people in KwaZulu-Natal looking for this product, and Gauteng and Western Cape. So what does this tell us? This is perfect now, because now we know who to market to. So if you market for the Eastern Cape, Free State, Northern Cape, Northwest, and Limpopo, you're pretty much gonna waste your money to market to those guys, because the most searches are in this little, or in these 3 provinces here. So if you run your ads on Google Ads, then you can basically set your location to South Africa, but only for these 3 provinces. And these 3 provinces is your winning provinces. So now you can narrow down who are your target market. So now the next move, we can use a simple tool called a Google Keyword Planner, and we can do the exact same thing here. We can enter a blackhead remover, and when you're done, press enter, or you get results. You will see. Just wanna you will see that blackhead remover here is being searched between 1 and 10,000 searches a month. So that is very good. So even say, for instance, the average searches say is 6,000 a month, and 2,000, clients get to your site and buy your product for 100 rand. I mean, 1,000 guys, for a profit margin of 100 rand, that's a lot of money that you can make. So another thing to notice also here is your bid low range and your high range. So this is basically what you're gonna pay for if someone clicks on your ad. 2 rand 80, between 2 rand 80 and 7 rand 51. So just be aware of this. It says competition is very high. Obviously it's going to be very high, because if you are looking for blackhead remover on Google, you'll see there's quite a few ads here. Let me just close this quickly here. So you'll see there's quite a few here as well, people that already running ads. So you can actually see this is the exact same machine at Stylberry, and they're selling it for the same amount as. So let's go down to the syrups here, down at the bottom below this ad here. So the first one here is a Clicks blackhead remover. So Clicks, obviously it's a very known company, pharmacy slash wellness store in South Africa. So the chances are, ranking them with your own website is going to be 0, to be honest. So, and if you click on this will go to a blackhead remover, which is not actually that what we're looking for. It's just kind of one of those little pens with the sharp pointy bit in the front, with the little thing in the back that you can get rid of your blackheads or whiteheads or whatever the case may be. But if you scroll down, you'll see a take a lot link. That's also very important. You're never gonna outrank take a lot, and also you're never gonna outrank take a lot again. So, and from there on, it's pretty much. And there's Discam, and there is a EU, and this is a .com. So as you can tell, there's not even another website featuring on here. So this tells you two things. There's not a lot of other companies doing this, except for the major chains, the major big companies. And there are definitely place for a website that caters or that's niched down to actually, blackheads or pimples or acne or getting rid of acne and all that kind of stuff. So, but my point is here, the second point here is, if you want to sell these, it will be better to run Google Ads. So you can literally sit here right on top of clicks here. So people can actually click on your ad and not clicks or take a lot, whatever it can be. Or you can basically run these shop ads here. So you can also feature here amongst these other ads here. As you can tell, there's quite a bit here, quite a lot of people doing these shop ads. And that is something to consider. That's something to look at. I mean, these guys already doing a lot of advertising, but that is part of the whole. Reason why we are doing this product research, so we can know what we're up against. So, guys, that is pretty much how you can go about doing product research. To make sure if there's even a market, and it's very important to use Google Trends to see if there is actually someone looking for it. If it was like this flat line over here, I wouldn't recommend it. Then no one is looking for it. I mean, if you use Google Keywords Planner and the monthly searches is between 100 and 1,000 and the competition is very high, it's also not something I would look at. So the ideal here will be if you can get something that is 10,000 to 100,000 and a competition is medium to low, then you are on the money. Then you know that the product you got right now is perfect. Then you also have to make sure. Lastly, but you also make sure if you can get all of third-party distribution. This is the supplier of this product, and let's look here quickly. Let's see if we can find the same product here. We do actually, okay, so this is the product right here, and now we can see the quantity here, availability is 36. Well, this is just, remember also, this is just also if you're going to use Dropstore. If you're not going to use Dropstore, you have your own products. That's obviously then your own way of your own problem to how to get the quantities up on your products. But if you use Dropstore, just make sure that the quantity here is not 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. Because if you're gonna run an ad campaign of 1,500 rands, and everyone rushes to your store, and you sell, you know, free blackhead removers, then it's a waste of money. I mean, 36, I guess it's okay. I mean, 36 times 100 is 3,600 rand. You can make, you know, if you use 1,000 rand ad credit or ad spent, and you sell all 36, you can make 2,600 rand on this product. It's not bad. It's definitely becoming a way for you to learn how to do this. But anyway, guys, this was it. This is how you do it. This is actually how I do it, just to make sure that you know, just to make double check everything, and to make sure, and not just throwing, you know, taking a shot in the dark, and you know, throwing, or you know, the shotgun approach, just to see what sticks, kind of. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope it learned you a couple of things. Subscribe to this channel, like it if you guys really enjoyed this video, and then also hit the bell notification. It will help this channel massively. And yeah, cool legends, I appreciate it, and keep well, keep safe. See you next time. Cheers.